Hey, Paul here for Retro Gaming Arts, and today we're going to be talking about a very easy speaker replacement for the Game Boy Color. It involves very minimal modification and just some broken parts laying around. So let's go check it out. Alright, so on this Game Boy Color, the speaker wasn't working, but if you plugged it into the audio jack, you would get sound, but it just wasn't coming through the speaker on the front. So what we did was we took an old broken Nintendo DS, the first one. This one got dropped and was just completely shattered. The shell was shattered, so we couldn't fix it, but I've been salvaging parts off of this for quite some time now, and inside, as you can see, is the speaker, but this speaker is a different size than the speaker inside the Game Boy Color. It has those extra little ridges around the side because it was pressed, it wasn't hard soldered in. So since it won't fit into the Game Boy Color, the small modification we had to do was Dremel a little hole for it to fit in, and it did. And then you solder it right in, and then it works. The reason why something like this is so cool to me, it's because we're taking a broken console that can't necessarily be fixed, and we're salvaging every single part from it in order to bring other broken consoles back to life. And it's a very good feeling to be doing that, because these things aren't made anymore. They still exist, but they aren't in production. They're not being manufactured. So to save as many as possible, so as many people can now enjoy these, is a very rewarding feeling for me, and that's why I do it. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, liking, all of that. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week.